Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon, and today I've got a beautiful 1935 Ford four-door touring sedan to show you. Now this particular car finished off in what the exterior looks very, very stock and original, but of course it's got an upgraded drivetrain that I really think you're going to like. This is very well equipped, it's very nice driving. It's an excellent car, but let's start with the paint now. Finished in original black, but take a look at that deep shine. This is a base coat, clear coat, and all the trim and bright work is on the car. It's excellent. See this little subtle green pinstripe? That would have been probably very similar to an original trait. Wheels and tires, these are 15 steel wheels with the Ford logo and of course the trim rings with the wide white wall radials. Drives very nice. Mustang II front suspension. While we're here, why don't I just show you this side of the engine. The hood is very easy to open, very easy to get into. There's a little detent right here that rests. You can see that. This is a 350 Chevrolet. Power steering. It does have power front disc brakes. It has air conditioning and it all works great, blows nice and cold. HEI electronic ignition. It's like a little quadrajet 4-barrel there. It has ram's horn style exhaust manifolds and dual exhaust. So you can kind of see what I mean. You know, it's just very nicely equipped. All steel car. There's no fiberglass fenders or running boards or everything. Running boards nice and solid. They look excellent. This car has been very well taken care of, very well treated. All the glass is nice. Taking the inside here. I want to show you this real quick. You probably, if you're familiar with these cars, you're aware of this, but when you go to roll the window down, watch the window here. You see that? See how it slides back? Then it rolls down. So what that is a little vent, presumably for smoking back in the day. But you know, it's kind of nice. You know, you want to roll the window down a little bit and get a little fresh air. You got a vent there without rolling the entire window down, and that's the case with the driver's side as well. But just to show you, you know, the windows roll down up and down very nice and easily. Weather stripping's nice. All your fasteners are nice. Take a look, you know, at the interior. It's got this nice, similar to original mohair, but this is a little softer, I believe, than the mohair style interior. Painted dash, same as the exterior. This is your crank for your tilt-out windshield that does work, still present. Nice deep chocolate carpeting with beading. And the seating, original bench seat, very nice, all reupholstered. The entire interior is beautiful. Even got seat belts here in the front. Headliner's nice as well. Got an aftermarket stereo. Should indicate all of your controls and so forth. All the chrome and whatnot is excellent on the interior as well. Doors close nice and easy. Don't even have to just push the door closed. Take in the back seat. These cars actually had more room than the newer cars do. Got the nice cord back here to hang on to, and up here as well to help you get in and out if necessary. Again, beautiful carpeting, beautiful glass. Windows back here roll down nice and easy as well. Got the original style welting between the glass. Close that door nice and easy. Now these windows here, these just vent. These don't roll all the way down, but there's a little device in there and they vent back a little bit. Everything works properly on this car. Take a look at these original tail lights. This nice long horn tail lamp, and these are LED now. These have been switched out to LED, so that's good. Nice and vibrant. Dual exhaust, nice chrome on the bumper. Show you on the trunk on these. You have a little key, so this locks. Both sides lock. So what you do here is put the key in, turn it. Same on this side. Put the key in, turn it, and then open the trunk. So it actually does have a trunk. The battery is mounted in the trunk, which on these particular models is a nice convenience because otherwise they're typically under the floorboard. But nicely paneled and upholstered in here as well. Again, weather stripping, nice and pliable here. Very clean, very nicely done. So then when you go to close the trunk, you're going to want to just lock that back up. Same with this side. Just like that. Nice, beautiful black, again, you know, the paint. Very nice, shines very well. Let me take a moment to tell you a little bit about the website, westcoastcollectorcars.com, where I've got pictures of the sedan, of course, but pictures of the undercarriage as well. Very nice, very clean under there. Again, Chevrolet, little 350 4-barrel. It is a turbo hydromatic, turbo 350, 3-speed automatic on the column. Differential is a Ford 8-inch with 279 gears, which you would have had probably in like a 65 Mustang. So in other words, going down the freeway, nice and easy, very tall geared. Car drives excellent. It's a very nice driving car. I think I did mention it does have the Mustang II front suspension. Nice shocks all around, and coilovers, of course, in the front. Sway bar in the front as well. Now on this tail lamp here on this side, this is where your gas tank filler is. So it's got this nice little Ford logo on the gas filler, and it is a locked gas cap, so you put your fuel in the tail lamp. Oh, I should point out to you as well. Now the top. Originally, these would have had sort of a fabric or sort of a plastic style top that was soft. And to prevent leakage, what happens over the years is people kind of in the know about these would fill this in with sheet metal, and that's what's happened here. So that really makes more of a nice, solid, more comfortable, quiet drive. Nice roof. Works out very nicely. All the tires are nice. Let me just open up the whole car on this side, be able to kind of step back and get a view of the interior as well. Kind of a cool angle. Let me point out a few things up here. You got these nice VDO gauges, and they all work. The clock shows 13,000. Looks like 13,000 is at 526 miles. That would be what's on the build entirely. You got a tilt column here, billet steering wheel with a little Ford logo even, and this kind of matching leather grip. Very nice. Emergency brake. Car was very well thought out, very well done, drives very nicely. You know, if a guy wanted to, you could drive this thing every day if you would. If you wanted to, I wouldn't, it's too nice, but you know, it's just that comfortable is what I'm trying to say. And you know, you want to take it on a long road trip, this is the car. You want to take it to a car show, cruise in, anywhere. This is great, this is ideal. Let me show you the engine on this side. Should point out too, your trim is very nice and clean too. All the chrome and bright work, excellent on it. Obviously switched over to 12 volt, and you wouldn't have had to have that, of course, with that V8 and whatnot. But this is the wiring on this particular car is Ron Francis wiring, which, as we know, that's a very quality wiring kit. It's the newer style fuses. You know, it's not the old glass fuses, so that's nice. You're not going to have any issues with the electrical problem at all. Just everything, the runnability of the car and the drivability, excellent. Up front here, you know, you got your nice 35 grille, all nice and chrome. This was the last year for the big horns sticking out like this. The horn does work. Horns work. Nice big headlamps. Turn signals in the headlamps. I'm going to go ahead and shut the engine because what we're going to do, start the car. You know, get to hear it start, hear it run. What I'll do is I'll just drive it around the parking lot a little bit so you kind of get an idea, you know, of what it looks like moving under its own power. I really like the way that hood closes. Some of these are kind of a pain, but this one really works well. But let's take that little spin. We'll come back and talk for a minute or two more. Nice, quiet sounding, dual exhaust. I can't show you too much in the performance here, as you can see, but at any rate, beautiful, excellent, very comfortable. You can drive it anywhere. Air conditioning, nice gauges, all the lights work, clean headliner, got nice visors in here, tilt column. It's got about everything you need, really. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this 1935 Ford sedan, don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Rich Dean, and this is West Coast Collector Cars. The number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.